Mastering the registration process, SAT and ACT. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an important step if you're considering furthering your education in the United States: registering for the SAT or ACT exams. This step can be quite crucial for your college application process. So, let's learn how to create an account for these exams. Before we get into the registration details, it's vital to understand what these tests are. The SAT and ACT are standardized tests often used by colleges and universities in the U.S. to make admissions decisions. While they measure slightly different skills and have different formats, both aim to evaluate your readiness for college. Creating an account is the first step to take these exams. Through this account, you can register for your desired test date and location, keep track of your scores, request additional services, like extra time if you have special needs. 1. Visit the College Board website. This is the organization responsible for the SAT. 2. Look for a Sign Up or Register option. 3. Provide your personal details, such as your name, address, and high school information. 4. Set a strong password for security reasons. 5. Once you've created an account, you can immediately register for an available test date. 1. Navigate to the ACT's official website. 2. On their homepage, there will be a Create Account or similar option. 3. Just like with the SAT, you'll need to input personal details and create a secure password. 4. After the account creation, you can then proceed to register for the exam on your desired date. 1. Ensure all information is accurate. This includes your name, as it should match with the ID you'll bring on the test day. 2. Choose a test center that's convenient for you. 3. Set reminders for test dates and deadlines. 4. If you qualify, don't forget to check options for fee waivers. There you have it. Creating an account for the SAT or ACT doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to taking these important exams. Remember, this is a milestone in your academic journey. We hope this video makes that step a little bit easier for you. Best of luck with your test preparations, and see you in the next video.